today's latex lingerie try-on, we're going to be reviewing a very interesting topic. That is, how can you blend your latex clidong with unique materials like nylon and especially super sexy nylon stockings? All right, guys. So I think we all know that we absolutely love latex outfits, latex lingerie, and pretty much any type of latex clidong in this YouTube channel, right? But what we don't really talk about very often are some of the ways that you can incorporate latex clidong into other parts of your wardrobe or utilizing other parts of your wardrobe. So for today's video, not only did I want to cover corsets and, talk about wearing the corset, model the corset for you, and also, in particularly model a boned, so this is like very nicely made, very snugly fit, but latex corset, and talk about how can we actually pair that with a pair of nylon stockings. Now, I know that you guys are absolutely excited to see this video, so I want to get right into the heat of it immediately. Let's just go ahead and show you how to put on a super sexy latex corset. I just wanted to know, do you guys ever mix up your latex outfits, like the latex clidong that you have in your closet, with different types of materials like nylon? Or is this something that's kind of a new topic for you? I'd love it if you commented down below. I absolutely love hearing from all of you, my VIP members. You're the best. You're my favorite. Don't tell, everyone else I said that. But yes, comment down below and let me know, guys, do you like seeing latex clidong with other materials like nylon stockings? Or do you feel like latex clothing, a latex corset or latex lingerie, a latex try-on video should be exclusively latex? Look at this absolutely gorgeous latex corset paired with a perfect latex lingerie set. It's actually not a set. I did get all three of these pieces from totally different latex designers. Let me point it out to you in case you guys were wondering. So the latex bra is actually from Dark Virtue Designs, which is a UK brand, as well as Libidex for the corset. You guys know I love Libidex. I buy a lot of their stuff. Libidex for the corset, another UK brand. That's kind of what I was talking about. And then surprisingly, the panties are actually from Vex Clothing, which is a brand that many of you guys might be familiar with because it's one of the brands that the Kardashians absolutely love to wear. They wear it constantly. It's an LA-based LA-based latex brand. I absolutely love it. These are one of my favorite pair of thongs. I mean, it's just such a sexy fit. And as you guys can see, I matched it up with probably the only material that kind of seconds in my mind to the sleekness, the softness, you know, just the hand feel of latex. And that is a pair of French nylon stockings from the brand Servin. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Okay guys, so you've seen this gorgeous latex lingerie set from pretty much every angle at this point. Now, tell me, I want the comments, I want to hear what my VIP members have to say. Do you think that latex is a material that can be mixed up with nylon stockings? I'll give you my final verdict in just a sec. All right guys, so I kind of think, for me personally, I think absolutely. You should definitely be imaginative with your latex. You should definitely, you know, think of new ways to fashion your latex kleidung in such a way that you're enhancing the sexiness, the appeal, and in particular, emphasizing the shininess of the latex try-on, or excuse me, the latex that you are trying on that day. And why I say that is because not only is nylon in and of itself actually a very versatile material, they do, I don't know if you guys are familiar with this, but you can find shiny nylon tights, shiny nylon stockings, I mean, a lot of different shiny nylon materials. And most importantly, I mean, as I said, it's the softness, it's the touch, and it almost kind of blends seamlessly with that same sensory feel that you get every single time that you're touching your latex lingerie. So I feel like, you know, nylon just goes together really well. And the other factor that I would say about mixing together, you know, for your next latex try-on or any event that you're going to be wearing a latex outfit, I would say definitely try to incorporate elements like leather leggings, faux leather leggings, nylon stockings, and, you know, pop on a latex corset. Try other materials with your latex, because you'll be surprised how much incorporating additional material can further enhance the shininess and the attractiveness of the latex outfit that you are trying on that day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for being a VIP member of my channel. And most importantly, what I want to remind all of you guys is that if you are liking these videos, if you're loving being a VIP member, then don't forget you could pick up any amount of sexy latex clothing that you would like to see me try on this channel for you by tapping the description box below, heading over to JanelleCorinne.com, going to my wish list and picking up anything that your heart desires. If you're also interested in purchasing discount latex clothing like this or any number of things that I'm trying on this channel for you guys, in my public videos, on my Instagram, everything, definitely also go over to JanelleCorinne.com and tap the Poshmark button. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was so wonderful talking to you. Bye.